Hi everyone, this week in ProMind Tip of the Week, I would like to share with you the overkill command. This is a command that allows you to remove duplicate or overlapping items in your drawing. In this drawing, we have multiple mining drift center lines. In this example, I would like to remove the overlapping red line segment that is on top of the green line. I would first start off by calling the command overkill. Then I'm going to select the two overlapping polylines. You can see that the overkill command allows you to define specific options to ignore while comparing objects. Since my two polylines completely overlap one another, I'm going to set my tolerance at 0. Next, I'm going to select to ignore the color object property as well as the combine collinear objects that partially overlap option. Now I'm going to run the command. You see that my overlapping red line has been removed from the drawing. I hope you enjoy my tip of the week. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, please don't hesitate to leave a comment below.